Many of our students don't actually have access to even get to London, let alone to be in an environment such as this.
The fact Teach First have been able to partner with Goldman Sachs is brilliant.
I've been teaching for 34 years and it felt like this was the dream ticket.
The idea came about of how could we bring students into London who potentially wouldn't have that opportunity themselves ordinarily, and how could we showcase not just Goldman Sachs, but the city and the diversity of opportunities that we offer.
What I'm hoping for our students to get out of this is that they've embraced everything and took advantage of all the opportunities. They've networked, they've made new friends, they've learnt new skills that they can also take back and share with their peers.
I've gained a lot of insight into the world of finance, business.
I enjoy the talks about the stock market.
The communication training that we have.
It's not just what you say, but how you say it.
You're going to need that for so many things in life.
We had a panel of Goldman Sachs employees and I feel like that was really informative.
The cryptocurrency talk was especially one of my favourite ones.
The skills that they developed on coming on the residential are going to help them not only with their future career searches in whatever field that looks like, but also in their studies.
I find it quite amazing because I never really thought that I'd ever be in a room such as this talking about how we can go further with our careers.
It gives you a lot of experience and a lot of opportunity moving forward.
I hope they walked out of the building today filled up with confidence and looking forward to their futures.
I'm focusing on taking it everywhere I go now, and it's going to motivate me to be the best me I can be.